Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we have dealt with acute maxillary sinusitis. Today we will dealing with chronic maxillary sinusitis. Okay, these small topic is a big topic itself, and it's the LAQ SAQ both. Okay, so let's start today's class. Chronic maxillary sinusitis. What are the causes? First cause is persistent dental forces. Okay, persistent dental forces. Second is chronic rhinitis, which leads to sinusitis. Third is chronic infection from other sinuses. There are all other paranasal sinuses also. So infection traveling from there to here lead to chronic maxillary sinusitis. And allergic conditions. What are pathophysiology? If there is a chronic inflammation, hyperplasia or atrophy. Okay, these two both are opposite condition. Hyperplasia is more cells and atrophy is no cells. So it can lead to both formation of more and more cells or atrophy of cells. Then there is multiple polyp formation or degeneration of epithelium. Either there will be multiple polyp formation or there will be degeneration of epithelium. Okay, then ostium shows edematous changes causing complete blocking. जो ओपनिंग है दैट इज ऑस्टियम उसमें इडिमेटस चेंजेस मतलब उसमें स्वेलिंग हो जाती है तो उसकी वजह से ब्लॉक हो जाता है अगेन कॉजिंग टू मैक्सिलरी साइनोसाइटिस एंड ड्रेनेज ऑफ साइनस विल बी अफेक्टेड ऑब्वियसली अगर ब्लॉकिंग हो गई ओपनिंग में तो ड्रेनेज नहीं होगा प्रॉपरली एंड इट विल लीड टू साइनोसाइटिस सो नाउ कमिंग टू signs and symptoms. What are the signs and symptoms of chronic maxillary sinusitis? First is pain and tenderness during acute exacerbation. Okay, acute exacerbation leads to chronic king. Now unilateral focal discharge through posterior nares. What happened in this? There is a focal discharge, unilateral focal discharge through posterior nares. Then cacosmia. What is cacosmia? This term is very important in chronic maxillary sinusitis. It means a fetid odor with bad taste in the mouth. A fetid odor with bad taste in the mouth is termed as cacosmia. Okay? It is seen in chronic maxillary sinusitis. So, diagnosis is based on history, obviously. Anterior rhinoscopy. Rhinoscopy plays a very important role in sinusitis, which shows nasal congestion and mucopurulent material in the middle meatus. On anterior rhinoscopy, we can see or it reveals nasal congestion and mucopurulent material in the middle meatus. On inspection of oropharynx, reveal descending pharyngeal exudates. When we do the inspection of oropharynx, it reveals डिसेंडिंग फेरेंजियल एक्सुडेट मतलब एक्सुडेट निकलते हैं प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑब्वियस OAF मे बी देयर ओके ओरो एंट्रल फिस्टुला मे बी देयर नाउ ट्रांस इल्यूमिनेशन साइनस रिवील ओपेसिटी ऑन द अफेक्टेड साइड ओके साइनस रिवील ओपेसिटी ऑन द अफेक्टेड साइड विथ साइज इज अफेक्टेड यूनिलैटरल डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है फोकल डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है यूनिलैटरल अगर साइड अफेक्टेड है तो इट विल शो ओपेसिटी on transillumination. Now what radiograph shows? Presence of fluid level, thickening of lining, foreign body, tooth, root may be seen. Presence of fluid level, thickening of lining of mucosa, foreign body can be seen like tooth, root or other things. Okay. Now coming to the management, there are non-surgical management and there is a surgical management. Okay, non-surgical management as we have seen in acute sinusitis, that is antral regimen, bed rest, adequate fluid intake, nasal decongestant, mucolytic agent, NSAIDs. Topical steroids are also helpful. Antihistamines, saline lavage and steam treatment. These two is also very important in chronic sinusitis, saline lavage and steam treatment. Okay, what are the surgical management? Surgical drainage of pus and lavage of sinus cavity through existing fistula. We do lavage and drainage. Then inferior turbinate antrostomy. Then Cardwell Look surgery and FES, functional endoscopy sinus surgery. Okay, functional endoscopy sinus surgery. These are the surgical procedure. Now, where we need surgical procedure when there is bilateral, extensive, and massive obstruction, when there is polyposis, and when there is chronic adult maxillary sinusitis. Okay, hope I am clear with today's lecture with the management, diagnosis, and treatment. For next, till then, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Take care.